Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to another chapters tutorial. In this video I'll be showing you how to upload your own script into the chapters editor, which means you no longer have to manually type it into the editor anymore, which saves time and allows you to upload content faster. So the first thing that you want to do is click on the input script button, and that will show you the specific directions and format that your script needs to be in. If it isn't in this format, it's not going to upload correctly. Please take time to review that and adjust your script accordingly. Now I already had my script written out in a Word document, so all you need to do from here, once it's in the correct format, is copy and paste and paste it back into the chapters editor, and then hit the submit button. And your script is automatically uploaded. And as you'll be able to see, once I do hit the button to preview it in the game mode, it kept the character's expressions and everything that I set it to. Now when you want to have your character thinking or anything like that, of course you'll have to go in there and change that over and italicize your text and things like that, because that doesn't carry over. But for basic script uploading, as you can see, it works just fine, and I'm going to show you another example here shortly, but that's pretty much straightforward. Follow the format, copy and paste it from your Word document into the chapters editor, and you're good to go.